Hello, and welcome to the ProQuest Statistical Insight Training Series. In this session, you'll learn about using filters and facets to narrow your search using statistical insight. The filters and facets are on the left-hand side. You can add more detail to your search results by using them. So let's start a search. For this session, we will be using development assistance, which is also a subject term available in statistical insight. You'll see that you don't have to create complicated search strings using the basic search. Again, the best approach is to start with a very broad search topic, and then use the facets to get to more specific information. For example, if you are looking for information on development assistance, but are interested in a specific country, you can easily drill down to that specific information. Type in development assistance, and your search brings back more than 6,000 results sorted by relevance. We'll go to the left-hand column and spend a few minutes discussing the meaning of these different headers. As we start, remember your search results may be different based on your library's subscriptions. The first facet is date published and date covered, which is a good way to limit the information. The more specific facets first show full text type. So if you're interested in development assistance but want to work with Excel spreadsheets, you can click on that link. That will bring up the results that just have Excel spreadsheets associated with them. You can also use source. Click on federal agencies and they appear in alphabetical order. Again, you could pick Agency for International Development and it would limit results to those from AID. Moving down, you see countries and regions. If you are interested in development assistance for Africa, you can open that up to see specific countries within Africa that you can then select to again limit that data. You also have local area information. You can also use the limiter Data Breakdown By, and then you can select Subject, which allows you to further limit the information. Now let's add some filters and see what this does to your search result. Here you can see all of the facets that are available: full text type, source, countries and regions, local area, data breakdown by, and subject. Now using development assistance as an example, you will start the full text type. If you just want to work with information that includes PDF full text, selecting the link will narrow your search results to about 1,000. Note that at the top of the left-hand column, the program is also adding the filter Full Text PDF. Here you can see which filters you have added. Since you are interested in Africa, open up Countries and Regions. Select Congo, Democratic Republic. As you can see, you have now narrowed all of those search results from unlimited to just a few. It has the abstract and it also has the PDF, which allows you to preview or download the full text of this report. If you feel as though you have limited your search too much, you can remove one of these filters. Let's remove Full Text PDF. You don't have to do these in order. You can remove the first one after you have already applied a second one. Click on Full Text PDF, and you now have more results that are available for the Democratic Republic of Congo. Now, if you want to remove the last filter, the program retains the original search of development assistance, and you are back to where you started. Again, your best approach is to use a very wide and broad search in the basic search, and then let the facets do the work for you. Don't try to overthink the system by adding those facets and limiting your search at the start. Use these facets as you move through your search and evaluate the results. You have retained the original search of development assistance, and now you want to look at source to see what commercial publishers are saying about development assistance. Select the Chronicle of Higher Education to see your results. Now remove this filter and look at Data Breakdown By. By clicking on age, you can look at information on development assistance that is broken down by age. And of course, you can also clear all of your filters at once, but it still saves your basic search of development assistance. That concludes this session on statistical insight. To learn more about how you can significantly optimize your search capabilities with the incredible range and power of ProQuest, please consult the other videos in this training series.